fantastic Almiri panel. So welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. Did you miss me? It's been a while since I posted a long video, so I thought I'm gonna do the long video, but this time I want to do something which you all want to see, and that is full face of drugstore makeup. So I heard you everywhere, and we went ahead and literally just got the full face done with drugstore makeup. Yes, I did it. Before you leave to watch the rest of the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. If you have any questions regarding any of these products, please ask me in the comments. I reply every single comment. I read every single comment personally and I will reply to you. Let's just go ahead and do full face of makeup using only drugstore. Primer I like from drugstore is the NYX The Face Glow Gripping Primer. Every time I try this primer or have it on my skin under my foundation, it looks beautiful and it holds my foundation all day, literally all day long. So I'm gonna take this and let this melt, absorb into my skin. Next thing I'm gonna do is just to add some glow. Now for the glow, I'm not gonna lie, I do have a lot of products which I absolutely love. e.l.f. Halo Glow is really good. L'Oreal Lumi is really good as well. But I tried this Rimmel Multitasker Better Than Filters. I was obsessed. The way it looked on my skin, I was literally obsessed. The one thing I would say is make sure you shake the bottle really well. Just get into habit of shaking all the bottles before you apply on your face. So I'm gonna go with a very thin layer of this product first to add that beautiful glow on my skin. Right. Okay, I like to go with the whatever is left on the brush, just on my body too, so everything is matching. Okay. If you are like, doesn't matter what your skin type is and you want a really nice full coverage foundation without looking cakey, then go with Milani. Milani foundations are beautiful, seriously beautiful. If you want something matte which will last for a very long time without making your skin oily or shiny, but you particularly want the matte finish, then Maybelline 30 Hour is a really good one. However, in today's video, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Cushion Foundation. I recently bought this for a different video, which I already uploaded on my TikTok, and I will upload on Instagram too. I think Instagram probably already uploaded, but I really like this cushion foundation. It is more on a medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up to full. And I like the way it looked on my skin. It made my skin look like my own skin without adding too much product. And also, I really like the shade. The shade match is, oh my god, so good. Okay, for contour and bronzing, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lifter Stick. This one is in shade number 70. It's more on a darker shade, as you can see, but it works really well as a bronzer stick, which I love it. If you haven't tried the Maybelline Lifter formula, you should, because I'm telling you, it is very good formula. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of a contouring. You can use other brands for contour as well. This, okay, illusion ones. These ones are IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealers. I do like the L'Oreal Silk Ink too, but I find the shades are a little bit, the deeper shades are a little bit too much on a yellow tone side, and the lighter shades are a little bit too pinky. So I never like found a perfect shade in that, so that's why I have two shades in this one, C10 and C12, and I'll show you how I use these. So before we do the brightening, I'm gonna do a little bit of the blush. And for blush, for liquid blush, we're going to use the L'Oreal Lumi Liquid Blush in shade Glowy True Rose in number 630. This is a really nice peachy kind of vibe, which is going to go very nice for the summer makeup look. It's gonna be beautiful, and because the way this blush is, it gives you a very beautiful, like a highlighter effect at the same time. Peachy kind of vibe. C10 a little bit first because that's more close to my skin tone, so that's the reason I haven't done the color correcting today, because I'm gonna just use the color which is true to my skin tone and mix it with a little bit with a lighter shade. So I'm mixing C12 and C10 together and just popping them on top of each other, and when we blend them together, they're gonna work out really, really beautiful match. The eyes. Okay, now remember when I told you I'm going to go back with the blush? This is the reason we're going back with the blush. This time I'm going to take the blush a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to soak my brush really like really well. Okay, and now I'm going to go over this area around my under eyes, just on the outer part, to build that blush intensity, and you will see how beautiful this is going to start looking. Now to set everything in place, we are going to use the Kimchi or Kimchi Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. Love this powder for a drugstore. I'm sorry, I know. You guys can say whatever you like, but this is the only drugstore setting powder I like. I'm not even gonna lie about it, like because I got paid by the brand or something for some other product to actually say good. I refuse to even try the different setting powders because this is my favorite, and it sets everything so beautifully, and it gives me the most blurring looking skin. If I'm going to choose a drugstore powder to set my face, it will have to be a Kimchi Beauty. Bronzers, which I absolutely love. The first one is the Covergirl True Blend Skin Enhancer. I can tell you definitely love this one. The second one, which my most loved and favorite, is this one, is NYX Buttermelt Bronzer. Now these two bronzers are my favorite bronzers, powder bronzers when it comes to drugstore, but they both are different formulas. This is more on a matte side, this is more on a luminous side. So depending what kind of look you want, if you want more luminous, more dewy look, you can go with the Covergirl. If you want more of a matte vibe, you can go with the NYX one. Today, just to show you, I'm gonna do the Covergirl because it is one of the new products, and we already used something from NYX. So just let's give some love to Covergirl. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit on my brush, and I'm literally just gonna tap this on the higher points of my face, on my forehead and on my jawline. I don't want that to be more like on a shinier side. I want it more matte, more blurry. So I'm gonna go with that one. Hydrating setting spray. So I'm gonna use this luminous She Glam one. This is a very hydrating and also luminous. So I'm gonna add this one first. Completely, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the actual setting spray. As to lips, I'm going to do today, there are a lot of lip liners which are amazingly good from drugstore. My personal favorite has to be the L'Oreal new the blur fillers, and also NYX lip liners, especially the one which has a plump. Those are amazing. Today we are going to use the L'Oreal blur filler, and the shade I'm going to use is Nude Espresso. I don't know, I'm just like, I'm obsessed with this shade. I don't know why, but I am. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and line my lips. Okay, and to fill my lips, I'm going to use this Rimmel Thrill Seeker Lip Latex. I actually really like this product for lip. It stays on for a very long time. It kind of reminds me of, you know, the Maybelline vinyls. Kind of reminds me of that, but like equally good, I would say. The color is really nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Today we are going to do this setting spray on my face. Alright my loves, this is the final look. I did film this eye look as well, so don't worry, I will upload it. I don't know if I'm going to do it as a long video or a short video, but I will promise I will upload it. And that's also been done with a very affordable eyeshadow palette, and only one palette. The whole eye look was done with only one palette. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this look. If you like it, if there was any shocks, there was any surprises, let me know, because I had so much fun creating this look. The camera is not even doing the justice how beautiful this look is looking in person. Get to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.